Pandemic has prompted a lot of change in many of our lives, and one Valley boy uses extra time at home to test his entrepreneurial skills. As Team 12's Rachel Cole tells us, 6-year-old Nicholas is giving back to a nonprofit through his Build Your Own Airplane business.
I love art and craft because it gives me something to do, and I love art.
Crafting planes, creations by Nicholas, coming during the quarantine.
One day my mom brought out this huge box of crafts, and I made a plane. And then my baby brother tried to take it away from me, and I made one for him. And then a light bulb came on. I said, hey, my business should be selling craft planes and kits.
The 6-year-old tells us the money he raises goes to a place that holds a special spot in his heart.
The Triple Heart Foundation gives free books to babies in the NICU.
As a NICU baby himself, Nicholas finds joy in these little jets. The DIY kits come with everything your kiddo needs to create their own aircraft.
It has 4 popsicle sticks, a glue, a bottle cap, a little stick, 2 corks, little wheel sticks, wheels, and a lift, and 2 corks.
He says building the baby Boeings is a big mood booster for his buyers who are bunkered down at home.
Everybody's bored right now, so I want people to get creative.
Plus, the puddle jumpers were prompted from his passion for travel.
They let you travel. You can't travel right now, so I made these planes to imagine that you're traveling to wherever you want.
You can fly over to his website to check out all the kits, and with each one comes a handwritten thank you note from Nicholas on behalf of babies in the NICU.